guys, welcome back. In today's Creepy Crafty Days video, I'm sharing how I'm finishing up a Happy Mail swap package. So I'm going to be putting like all the goodies in and stuff, kind of showing you guys the final, the final project, which is really fun. And then I'm going to share how I'm packaging it all to put in the box and all that. So we're going to go along this journey together of finishing up this fun Happy Mail. So I have this little envelope ready to go here. I just used a 12 by 12 piece of paper to make this, wrap some twine around it. I have a little goodie bag here. Just punched some holes, tied the string through, had some charms in my stash. So I was like, you know what, this is perfect. Go ahead and just get rid of it. Put it on there. It'd be so much fun. So in this envelope, what I'm going to do is put in some fun zombie tattoos. So fun. And then I had these stickers from last year. I never wound up using them, so I'm just going to pass them along. I also am sharing some of these fun little label stickers. They're just cute. I think they're kind of fun, you know? Why not? And then this fun little haunted house. Make your own haunted house sticker book. I think this is so much fun too. So it comes with all the stickers. And then you rip out the sticker pages. And there's a big haunted house. So fun, right? So you can decorate it yourself. So cute. I love it. I'm also going to pass along some of these foam stickers that I received in some Happy Mail. I have so many of these in my stash already, and I already struggle to use them. So since that's a brand new pack, I'm going to go ahead and pass that along. So that will go in there. And then I picked up some of these googly eyes. I thought I had googly eyes from last year, but I don't know where they went, and I needed them for some projects. So going right there. And then I found these really adorable little bubble wands at Joann, I believe. They probably have them everywhere. I just dumped out the bubbles, washed it out really good, and filled it with some little gold sequins. So super cute, right? It came with a few different designs. So keep an eye out for those. I'm sure I'm not the first person that's ever done that. I want to share because it's so cute. The fun little pumpkin. All right, so this is the little stuffed envelope I've got going on. And this looks beautiful, but it's not really conducive for easy mailing. So what I made sure to do was to make my envelope big enough for the biggest thing that's going in it. That way I can just turn the big things. Boom. Look at that. So much easier. And then this twine here, all I have to do is kind of slide the top of the envelope over. You'll notice that I didn't fully bend the top, like scoring it and properly folding it and stuff. And I'm just going to scooch up the twine. There we go. So fun, right? It makes it a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to package up and send along. This would fit a lot easier in a bubble mailer as well. Oh, so cute. All right, so that will go in the package. And then I'm also including a few little goodies. So this is a really fun little, I don't know if I'll be able to get it back out or not. So this is what the bag looks like when it's not all wrapped up in a tube of black paper. So I think it's really cute. I got all my friends one this year, so they could all be matchies. So fun. And then here on the outside, I just did a quick wrap job with some fun paint splatters. I get one of these every year to send to one of my friends. So last year, Serena and I had sent one to our friend Sabrina. So this year I went and got one, and I'm going to send it along. I think it's super duper cute. It has a little handle and everything, and it makes the hot cocoa that's orange. It's so adorable. So I got this at the Halloween Town store in Burbank, which is really exciting. I'm also going to be including the little witch's cauldron with all the little sequiny bits. So I wrapped this up really good with some foam sheets and just kind of did a lazy wrap job, but it's fine. I'm also going to go ahead and include the rest of the ribbon. That way when the person, if she wants to take out the little sequin bottles, or whatever, then she can fill in any gaps with the rest of the ribbon. That way it can still be a finished looking project. And then the last thing that's going in here is this bag. So I picked this up at Target last year, I believe. I was going to do a bag flip, but then I looked at all the stuff I wanted to fit in here and I was like, there's no way it's going to fit. So I'm just going to include the bag as it is. If she wants to repurpose it and make her own bag flip, she very easily can. I think that's fine. All right, so let me show you everything that's going in here. So I got some of these orange gem pumpkins from Serena years ago, I think, and I never wound up using them, so I'm going to pass them along. Also a couple of sheets of hollow letters, because those are really fun. I'm going to be including this little card from earlier in Creepy Crafty Days, so I need to write my message in there. I also have a little baggie here with just some little Halloween stickers, a fun postcard that I picked up last year somewhere, I don't remember, but I was with Serena at the time, so I still haven't used it, so I'm going to just pass it along. And then there's this fun little marshmallowy lip balm, a fun little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin, some of the zombie Skittles, because I heard those are nasty, some little Daiso washi tape rolls, this fun little shadowy box thing that I made, and then this little pocket letter book. So it just looks like this. So there are videos on some of these things, and I will leave links down below to the things that do have videos. So let me go ahead and shove all this stuff in here. So cute! Alright, so I got my message in there. I'm not going to tape the envelope closed just in case she wants to reuse it somehow. I don't know, I think it's really cute. Made it with some Paper Cakes printable paper. So I'm just going to go and slide this in as well. And there is my completely loaded bag. And then what I did was I went through my little ribbon stash. I don't have a ton of ribbons for, I don't know, any of the holidays because I just never know how to use it. But what I decided to do was to go ahead and try to use up some of this. So I'm just making it kind of messy. Don't worry, I'm not attempting a tassel. That would be a disaster. Alright, so I just got some different lengths of ribbon. I just chopped up messily, and then I have one extra. I'm just going to loop it through. Like so. Right, so once I have it looped, I'm just going to tie a knot around it just to hold it in place. That way if she wants to reuse all this ribbon, she definitely can. Then it kind of, I don't know. The one looks a little odd, but like, it's okay. You know what I could do? You know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to turn the knot around to the back. That way the little wonky bit is in the back too. There we go. Right. Thinking, could I tie it again and then have it go the right way? But I don't think so. So I'm just going to leave it once, and then it'll be easier for her to take apart too. So there we go. So cute. Alright, so let me grab the box and we'll start putting stuff in it. Alright, so I have my box. So I already have a little happy birthday package in here. So I needed to include that as well. So might as well throw it in the same box. Just very carefully put this in here. Okay. And then, what else? Where's the other thing? And I think I'm going to go ahead and put in the hot cocoa down here maybe. So this is like the flattest part of the inside of the box, so I'll just put it in there. And then I have the extra ribbon. Then this guy can go here. And then this whole envelope situation, I'm just going to tuck in the side here. And this will hopefully help keep things from moving around a ton. So you can see it right there. And then I have my last little package here. So I'm just going to put it kind of at an angle. And then to fill in the gaps, I'm just going to use some grocery bags I got from my grocery store. So I'm just going to repurpose them. They're really light and they take up a good bit of room. And they kind of fit into whatever shape you need them to fit. So not the most glamorous, but you know what? I think it's fun. I think it's festive. And I think the things inside of the packages are what matters. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this gave you some ideas on what you can include in your Happy Mails, as well as some different ideas on how to package it and make things a little bit easier on yourself. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy creepy crafting, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!